Kevin Price, I'm the Managing Director of DeMarchi Engineering, but also the Kingfisher Industrial group of companies. My primary role is the day-to-day operational management of DeMarchi, but also to help expand the group through our sort of buy and build strategy as we build up our portfolio of companies. And DeMarchi is the latest acquisition within the Kingfisher group. DeMarchi was an opportunity that we came across that we saw a number of attractive elements to, both in terms of the technology that it has on site. Across the two sites now, we've effectively got laser cutting, water jet cutting, plasma cutting, a range of different sizes. So, there's a really sort of broad spectrum of being able to provide a one-stop shop there in that sense. The accreditations we've got, which are key to being able to operate in the construction industry and structural fabrication industry, are also very important to what we do. So we've got a very, very good level of high investment in technology in sheet metal with two very new fibre optic lasers, also CNC press brakes, a lot of experience within infrastructural and construction industries and the right accreditations that go with it. And so for us, this was a natural fit to expand on what we do to offer a more direct fabrication service to our customers and build on what DeMarchi has done over the last 30 years. Our plan really is to grow the business to, within that sort of 3 to 5 year period, to around about 7 or 8 million in revenue. We're looking at growing the workforce to around 70 people in that period of time. We're looking at investing in certain elements of automation to support the growth. Really lots of exciting plans in terms of what we want to do. For the next 12 months, we've got quite a lot going on in terms of digital marketing campaigns and investment in new developments on that side, probably a new website launch and so forth. We're also doing a lot with our ERP system in terms of shop floor data capture. That'll be a big plus to the business. We're excited to get that in place in the next few weeks. We've got a new CRM system coming in a little bit later in the year, which will help us be a bit more robust in the sort of commercial approaches, and probably looking at what we're doing in terms of automation on the shop floor are the key exciting things for me ahead. Just taking the company further in terms of integrating it with Kingfisher and moving together. DeMarchi is extremely good and methodical on its quality management systems and on its approach to process and its approach to technical developments, and I think there are elements that we can learn from that at the broader Kingfisher group as well. During any acquisition, I think elements of uncertainty, but I have to say the whole team at DeMarchi have been extremely open to Kingfisher team and have just supported everything that we've tried to do with an open mind and a supportive attitude, which is great. Obviously there have been some recent developments in terms of tariffs and global trade deals and those sorts of things, but largely I see all of those things as being beneficial in the longer run for us. I still believe that in the post-COVID era, the need for localised supply chains in the UK and in Europe is more critical now than ever. Companies that remain agile will be on that journey, and really the big play for us is that localised sourcing for manufacturing businesses is definitely a trend that I think will continue to grow. Robotics and general automation are now commonplace within the industry, and we're looking a lot deeper into that at the moment in terms of where we can use further automation within the business we've got in terms of improving efficiencies. Digitisation and sort of the Industry 4.0 approach to things, again, we're a few years onto that journey now. We do use certain elements of that in terms of remote machine monitoring and data gathering. There's a lot more we can do, and with AI that seems to be gathering a pace on a almost daily basis at the moment in terms of what we can get from that. The approach in general to digitising our processes, gathering data, using that data to convert into continuous improvement activities, improve quality, improve cost management. Making things is not the easiest route to success, but done well it can be extremely satisfying, seeing things designed and at concept stage and taking them through manufacturing into a final end product, into construction as it were. That is an enjoyable process, and it's always great to see, and I don't think any of us that are involved in engineering in any capacity ever get bored of that.